Hello my dear subscriber and viewers, welcome back to Akshara Akshita 2023 channel. In this video I am going to explain about coding tips for part 7. So in last video, up to last video part 6 I covered. So in this video part 7, so I am going to explain with one example, best example. So frequently they are asking from that part. So those who are not
சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாமல் இருக்கிறவங்க ப்ளீஸ் சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிட்டு பக்கத்தில் இருக்கிற பெல் பட்டன் ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணி ஆடியன்ஸ் செலக்ட் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோங்க. என்னுடைய ஃபியூச்சர் வீடியோஸில் உங்களுக்கு நோட்டிஃபிகேஷனாக வரும்.
So from this section only we are getting frequently one question. So some people making mistake with but there is no guidelines in this section. That's why I didn't explain you in introductory section chapter videos, but only one small confusions people, some candidate making mistake. So and every time in our exams they are asking same questions with a different type of scenario. Okay, so this is the procedure name is destruction. So in destruction we have three type of codes based on the condition, whether condition is benign or pre-malignant or malignant. Based on this we have the separate code. Okay, and this is the pre-malignant code. Pre-malignant there are three codes, 1700 and 17003, then 17004. This is all for pre-malignant. For an example, actinic keratosis is a pre-malignant condition. Okay, so for an example, if it is 5 lesions destructed, for first lesions we use 17000. This is for first lesion. Remaining 4 lesions are there. For 4 lesions we use 17003. So how many times will you use 17003? One time or what time? How many times? So this is the confusions. Based on this confusion only candidate will make mistake. So this code is for second through 14 lesions. So here you can read each. What is the meaning of each? Each means for each single lesion we have to code 17003 up to 14 lesions. That means remaining 4 lesions means 17003 4 times we have to code it. This is the meaning of each. If we are not understanding this each, or we are not reading this each when we are attending the exams, definitely we may mistake in this section. Okay, so this is the main confusions, each. So if you understand each means we will not get mistake, and as I told you there is no guidelines also, so we will not mistake if you know about the each concept. Okay, so 5 lesion means first lesion 17000, for remaining 4 lesions 17003 4 times we have to use it. And one more code is there for pre-malignants, when we can use 17004. So 17004 is 15 to more lesions. So 15 or more lesions we use 17004. Okay, so if for an example, if it is 20 lesions means we will not use first code and second code. We have to use directly third code only, because this is the main primary code. We don't have that symbol, add-on code symbol, so we can code as a primary code 17004. Okay, so this is 14 or more lesions means from 14 to up to n number of lesions we have to use this code only. So for 20 lesions this is the one code only we have to use one time. If it is 15 lesion 17004 one time only. So whatever number of the lesions from 15 we have to use 17004 only one time. So this is the concept for destruction of pre-malignant lesions. Okay, Okay, let's see with the best example. So this is the example. So 10th questions. Okay, 36 years old male present to have multiple lesions destroyed. So destroyed means condition is destruction. So if it is destruction means we have to check what is the condition, whether it is benign, malignant or pre-malignant. Based on that only destructions we have to code it. Okay. So in destruction, what here they are given 3 benign lesions on his face or destroyed and 5 actinic keratosis on his left arm destroyed. What are the codes? So first we have to eliminate the options. Instead of selecting the correct options, we need to eliminate first wrong options, then only we will get a correct option finally. Okay, let's eliminate first wrong option. Okay, so you can check first option here. So there are 2 type of lesions, benign and actinic keratosis, that is pre-malignant. So 2 type of lesions, 2 type of different codes we need to use, but here only pre-malignant code is there. So we have to eliminate first option. Okay, then option C, only one code is there, 17110. What is the code? 17110, destruction, benign lesions. But we have malignant also in our questions, benign and malignant, but here only one type of lesions destroyed code is there. So this is also eliminated. Then next questions, next B options, let's check. So here 17000 one time. So totally 5 lesions actinic. So for one lesions 17000 given. Remaining 4 lesions 17003 4 times. So this is correct for actinic keratosis surgery. Okay. For benign lesions, there are 3 benign lesions. Three benign lesions is there. Let's see the code 17110. So 17110 here they have given up to 14 lesions. So up to 14 lesions we have to use only 17110 only. But here only 3 lesions. So one time only we have to use 11. So maybe this is the correct answer. But let's see last option also. Okay, so if you get correct option, you have to check all options thoroughly. Okay, so last option let's check. So by seeing the option we can eliminate this. By seeing the CPT code we can eliminate, because this is add-on code but only one time coded. But here for remaining 4 lesions they didn't give the unit. So this option eliminated. So finally B option is the correct one. Okay, like this only we have to read and eliminate the options. Okay, so now you understand. Based on the each they may get confused, so that's why they are getting wrong answers, many people's. And APC section also they are asking every time from this confusions only. Okay, so whenever you are going to read description, please read full description, understand, then you can go for options. Okay, guys, that's all about the coding tips.
Okay guys, next video
part 8
tips வந்து part 8 பார்க்கலாம். வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா ப்ளீஸ் லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸுக்கு ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, மறக்காம சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.